Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box for the month of April. Inside we have essential oils, recipe cards, and labels. The labels go for all the items that you can make in the box. That way you know what's what. So let's start with the recipes. This month's box is supposed to be about rest and relaxation. So the first recipe is a soothing sleepy balm. On the back there's a sneak peek for next month. Tells you what essential oils you'll be getting. We have a moon and back roll-on. All the recipes are very simple. Then on the backs of the cards there's different information if the recipe doesn't continue on the back. So this one just talks about the essential oils for the April box and whether or not they're kid safe, animal safe, pregnancy safe, and what their uses are. So I love that card. We have a Goodnight Moon Diffuser blend. I love that book. We read that to the kids all the time. And on the back of that card is just reminding you that they donate 13% of their proceeds to a human trafficking charity each month. The next one is a sleepy pillow spray. Note from Katie on the back, who's the recipe formulator. DIY micellar water. The recipe continues on the back of that one. And the last one is called Lights Out Reed Diffuser. And again, the recipe continues on that one. A few extras we have is a spray bottle. A natural solubilizer, hopefully I said that right. Then there's some reeds in here for the diffuser recipe. And then the monthly essential oils. So the first one is called Sleepy, which is a blend of lavender, grapefruit, hoewood, and bergamot essential oils. There's a balsam fir, juniper berry, and lastly something I cannot pronounce. It might be copaiba? I'm not really sure. Maybe I butchered it, maybe I didn't. Don't really know. But that is what came in the rest and relaxation box this month. If you'd like to see previous boxes, I do have a playlist, and if you're interested in signing up for a subscription, check out the description box below. You will get a gift card, and all the details are below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.